Hey everybody, and welcome back to Cocktail Cards. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite tiki drinks out there, the Jungle Bird. Now in order to make the Jungle Bird, the ingredients we're gonna be using, first of all we're gonna need a dark or black rum. Next we're gonna need fresh pineapple juice. We're also going to need Campari for this one. We're gonna need a lime so we can make fresh lime juice. And lastly, we're gonna need simple syrup, which is 1 part sugar to 1 part water. All right, so we're just gonna build this drink out in our pint glass. And the very first thing we're gonna do is add 2 ounces of our dark rum. Next, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of our fresh pineapple juice. Next, we're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of our Campari. Then we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup. Next, we're gonna cut up a lime and we're gonna go ahead and squeeze out 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. All right, next we're gonna add ice to the pint glass and give the drink a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. Go ahead and grab a rocks glass and fill that up with ice. And strain your drink into the glass. All right, and we're gonna grab a couple fronds from our pineapple and throw it in there for a garnish. And there you have it, the Jungle Bird cocktail. That's so good. It's definitely a Campari forward cocktail. So if you've ever had a negroni or a boulevardier, you kind of know that flavor that Campari brings out. It's a very bitter forward flavor. I personally love it. So this makes it one of my favorite tiki drinks out there. You get the dark rum kind of sweetening things, the simple syrup, working really well with the lime, and of course the pineapple juice to give it a nice rounded citrus flavor. But the Campari is definitely that flavor that's gonna kind of punch in the face in this drink. I love it. I think it's delicious. It's so incredible. If you enjoy any sort of bitter flavors or bitter cocktails, definitely give the Jungle Bird a try. Hey, if you enjoyed the Jungle Bird recipe and you want a chance to win a free set of cocktail cards, we actually do a giveaway each and every month. All you have to do is click the first link in the description and you can sign up for your chance to win a free set of cocktail cards. It's as easy as that. So all you gotta do is check that out. If you did enjoy this video though, please at least just give us a thumbs up. You know, YouTube appreciates it and more people can learn about the Jungle Bird recipe. My name is AJ with Cocktail Cards. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.